brake pedal travel is good.
So after posting up the video of the test ride, I decided from the good comments I got from a couple of the guys there, it was better revisit this rear caliper. Now I've got no experience with these sliding pin calipers or the Suzuki, so I've got the Suzuki hat on. This one is not two pistons opposed. It just has this sliding plate pin setup like cars, basic cars have, because there was just no power in it. But there was a lot of pedal travel, but I had bled it because of the blockage here in the master cylinder, right there on this elbow. That's where it was blocked. Now what I've done, I've taken this caliper off, had another good close look at it. The pins are sliding backwards and forwards freely, so that's okay. Next thing is I pumped up with the caliper off, pumped out the piston. Didn't really move very much, but it's moving in and out. The piston is moving, it's not jam solid. So, and it wasn't burning, it hadn't locked up on the test ride, it wasn't hot, it was just mildly warm, you know. So, okay. I thought to myself, I think I still got problems here with the master cylinder. Maybe I might have to pull that off and put the new seals in. That's what I was thinking, but I thought, okay, just before I do that, I'll give it another bleed after the test ride, see what happens. So I've still got the hoses on. As you can see, you've got a head of brake fluid there. You always have the hoses going up, not just draining down. You can't see what's going on. And then with the bleed nipple, I cracked it open after giving it a couple of pumps, you know, 1, 2, 3, hold, cracked it open, and 2 great big air bubbles just straight out. And then my lever travel reduced right up normal. Look at it now. It is good. But we've just got to get it out on the road and give it another run. So let's go.
Oh, and give this video a like and consider subscribing. Subscribing really helps my channel. You know, one day YouTube might even help pay for all this camera gear. It's not cheap. Oh my God. Worse than motorbikes. Anyway, let's go for a test. Front forks feel good. It feels smooth. Back end feels too hard. I can't complain about the front at all, it feels nice. So rough through there. Is the brake working? Is the brake a success? It sure is. Always standing in the shadow. And the colour of it. Got a bit dark there. Back brake. Yep, look at that, she can lock up now.